All right, so something that Amy and I have we've been trying to get these for, you can't even believe how long that Amy has been trying to find these to source these. And these are these little clips, and I'm just showing you today because I don't know when we'll have a chance to do a What's New Wednesday. It'll be a bit. So I just wanted to show you these because they have been, well, I don't know. I have in my personal stash probably, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 of these clips, these colors, and finally found them. Amy was finally found them and able to source them. They are made in Italy. So they are made in Italy by a small old company, and they are these amazing clips by a company called Ellepi, and they are enamel coated metal. So they are like super, super, super like nice, good quality, like super sturdy and thick. These have been flying off the shelves. We just placed a reorder, but I wanted to show these to you guys because if you haven't seen them, or if you are like, oh, I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell, just the quality is amazing. So there are 3 sizes. There's a 5, actually, let's go with the colors so you can see. There's a 5 centimeter. There is a 7 centimeter. And there is a 9 centimeter. All right, so when we look at, let's do this. When we look at those 3 together, there's your 7, oh, excuse me, there's your 9, your 7, and your 5. So you can kind of see those 3 sizes together. These, like I said, have been doing very well. We are out of some of the colors, but they are on reorder. So these are fun, great little friend gifts or teacher gifts. You know, to give a teacher a little pad of paper with a cute little clip on it. They have also that drilled hole in the back. So some people will, you know, hang nails on their wall or little screws or hooks on their wall. And then you can hang the clips from those little, you know, nails or screws or whatever it is, and then attach your papers or whatever it is you're doing. So very fun. There is one more color I think that we've ordered that's kind of a bright green, but if you haven't seen those yet, you really should take a gander at those because they are, they're pretty fabulous.